Hi, good evening. Today we'll discuss GST. GST introduction. Prior to GST, VAT was origin based. In case of intrastate, VAT was charged, and in case of interstate, CST was charged. CST was paid to the central government. As implementation of GST required states as well as central government, hence Constitutional Amendment Act was required. As it was Constitutional Amendment Act, hence it required 50% voting by states as well. As 10 to 11 states had BJP in power, hence the Constitutional Amendment Act was passed. GST is destination based act and VAT was origin based tax. Hence, to ensure there was no loss to states, Compensation to States Act was passed with compensation cess. Compensation to States Act, base year 31/3/2016, growth of 14% on increased value. Central government will compensate to state for 5 years, post that the balance in account would be shared by central government and state government. Compensation cess is applied on specified goods and services. Example, pan masala, tobacco, aerated water, motor vehicle and motor car, any other supplies that may be notified. Compensation cess is applied on value and value is determined in accordance with section 15. Value will not include CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST or compensation cess. On import, BCD will be included as it is not subsumed. ITC can be claimed on compensation cess, but the same can be utilized only for compensation cess payment only. In terms of compensation cess, if there is a deficit, the same would be provided by the central government, but if there is a surplus, the same would be retained by the states. GST compensation fund account. Final notification for implementation of GST came on 28 June 2017 for implementation by 1st July 2017. If there would have been any difficulty in implementation of GST, then the president would have extended the clause by another 3 years as per section 20. Taxes subsumed in GST: excise duty, service tax, special additional duty, countervailing duty, VAT and CST, entry tax, luxury tax, entertainment tax, taxes on lottery, state surcharges and cess. Taxes not subsumed in GST: taxes on agricultural income, taxes on land and building, taxes on electricity, taxes on professionals, that is professional tax, alcoholic liquor. BCD is not subsumed in GST. This brings us to the session on introduction GST. Uh, Please do like, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.